Hi, this is Business Coach Raphael. Welcome to spring. It's springtime and that means spring cleaning. But what does that look like for your business? So today I'm going to share with you 7 simple ways to streamline your business, reduce stress, and get higher levels of performance in your business. Stay tuned. Number 1 is about rethinking your business. This is about applying an outside-in approach to your business, kind of like if you're the external consultant being hired to take a look at your business. Ask yourself, could there be a better way? And be okay that the fact that your current approach may not be the right one. That's fine. It's about applying zero-based thinking. Knowing what I know now, meaning, would I have the same people on board? Would I have the same systems when it comes to marketing, sales, production, logistics? And challenge your assumptions, challenge your biases to find better solutions for your business. That's number 1, rethink your business. Number 2 is to reevaluate your business. That means that depending on the situation is to stop the clock, take a time out, and reevaluate the situation the way it is today. Not the way you wish it's gonna be or the way it once was, but how is it today? This is called the reality principle, and it requires you to be very honest and clear about what the situation is today in front of you. I love the saying, it is what it is, it ain't what it ain't. It requires you to remove everything about it except the reality. So this is called the reality principle, and just ask yourself that simple question. What is the reality today? Number 3 is about reorganizing. What I mean by that is getting greater levels of outputs from the same quantity and quality of inputs. Every couple of weeks, it seems like you have to challenge your assumptions and things move so fast, right? But reorganizing is about taking a look at your current organization, current systems, and moving it around a little bit. I was talking to a business partner who happens to be a professional organizer, and there's just so many ways to reorganize your work. One way might be reorganizing your workspace, reorganizing your technology, reorganizing your organizational charts, as well as your schedule and your priorities, for example. Look at all the pieces in your business and see how it can be reorganized to get better productivity from it and greater level of outputs. Number 4 is about restructuring your business. What that means, it's about channeling your time, energy, money, resources into the top 20% of the activities that's going to generate the most revenue and profit for your business. So it could mean a couple of different things. It could have to do with the products and services that you do, some of the key marketing and sales activities that you engage in. And I was just doing a talk on growing your customer base. One of the area of your business that you can restructure is also your customers. Think about it. What are the top 20% of your customers that generate the most revenue and profit? And if you're able to spend more time, money, resources on these customers, it can greatly improve the level of revenue and profit in your business. Now, restructuring also means that those low-value activities that don't generate so much for you need to either be outsourced, eliminated, or delegated so that you don't have to focus on them too much and you can keep your focus on what makes the most sense for your business. Number 5 is about re-engineering your business. What I mean by that is it's all about process improvement. What are the cheaper, faster, better, simpler ways to achieve similar results or better results? When you have a lot of steps, typically in a system or in a process, you have a lot more potential for complexity. How can I simplify that? And so the first thing to do is to actually list all the steps that it takes to do a process or a system, whether it's in marketing, sales, production, or logistics, whatever it may be. First, list it, and then give yourself a goal. How much do I want to reduce this by? 10, 20, 30, 40%? And it's so easy once it's on paper to be able to do that. Couple ways to think about re-engineering. Number 1 might be to consolidate some of the tasks. or simply eliminate or outsource them, or think about, can I change the order of some of the tasks or steps in order to simplify the process. Keep it simple, but simple is hard, but that's all about re-engineering and process improvement in your business. Number 6 is about reinventing your business. Now that requires you to recreate yourself, recreate your business. Especially if you've been in business for a long time, this can be pretty powerful. Just imagine that today you are restarting your business, or maybe you are buying your own business today. Would you even start over again, right? Knowing what you know now, and ask yourself, what would I do more of? What would I do less of? Or what would I start doing? What would I stop doing? Asking those key questions really makes you think differently about the business and allows you to get a lot of great solutions to help you reinvent your business. And number 7 is about regaining control. What that means is to set entirely new plans, new goals, commit yourself to new decisions and new actions. And then it's about getting out there and committing to actually doing it. It's about regaining control of your time, regaining control of your business. And there you have it, the 7 steps to help you streamline your business, reduce stress, and give you a high level of performance in your business. Now, don't go out and try all these 7 steps at once. Pick one, maybe the one that's going to make the most sense to you right now. See how many ideas, new solutions, new outputs this can help you generate, and then move on to the next one if you want to. I would really strongly encourage you to do this on a regular basis, this kind of exercises, maybe on a quarterly basis. And don't hesitate to involve other people, maybe some key leaders in your business that can help you see your business differently and provide some great ideas for you as well, so you can reach your goals faster and easier. Thank you everyone for your support. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'm Business Coach Raphael, helping you thrive in business and in life.